Vegetable and basil soup for diabetes. Soups are a really versatile bowlful. Some appetizing soups flag off a meal, while some comforting ones warm the heart and soothe the body, and yet other soups double up as a single bowl meal. Unfortunately, sometimes this healthy bowlful is made unsuitable for diabetics by adding cream and other fat laden ingredients. Here in this section, we show you the right way to make soups which are pleasing to the palate while being made up with nutritious, low glycemic index ingredients that help keep blood sugar in control. Here is a soup for diabetes, vegetable and basil soup. This recipe is a diabetic recipe which is completely high in fiber, a vegetable basil soup. For this, we need 1.5 cup finely chopped onions, half cup finely chopped capsicum, red, yellow, green, half cup finely chopped beans, half cup finely chopped carrot, half cup finely chopped cabbage, fresh basil leaves, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped green chilies, 2 cups of vegetable stock, salt and pepper. Take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and add garlic and green chilies and saute on a medium flame for 10 seconds. Add onions, capsicum, beans, carrot, cabbage and saute on a medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add vegetable stock and salt, mix well, cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir occasionally. Meanwhile, take basil leaves, put in the blender, add some water and blend well until you get a smooth mixture. Add this basil mixture and pepper powder to the soup. Mix well and cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. Serve immediately. Garnish with basil leaves. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Low-calorie spinach soup for diabetes. Here is a nutrient-dense, easy-to-prepare spinach soup. Cooking it with low-fat milk gives it a lovely emerald green color, which together with the aroma of sauteed onions and garlic makes this soup irresistible. This soup is especially recommended for all the weight-conscious or diabetics. The soup has not been strained in order to retain the fiber of the spinach. Ingredients: 3 cups shredded spinach, washed and drained, 1 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon grated garlic, half cup of chopped onions, 1 cup low-fat milk, 99.7% fat-free, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Heat the oil in a deep non-stick pan. Even the doctors are shocked this simple drink can cure diabetes in just 5 days. Diabetes mellitus, commonly referred to as diabetes, is a group of metabolic diseases in which there are high blood sugar levels over a prolonged period. Symptoms of high blood sugar include frequent urination, increased thirst, and increased hunger. If left untreated, diabetes can cause many complications. Diabetes is due to either the pancreas not producing enough insulin or the cells of the body not responding properly to the insulin produced. The good news is that 93% of diabetes is caused by lifestyle choices, what we eat and how much we move, which means that most diabetics can manage and even prevent diabetic damage through diet and exercise. Include blended vegetables and fruits, fiber from complex carbohydrates in the form of whole foods. It will help keep your sugar levels steady, and by making your smoothie or blend with mostly vegetables, you will also lower the total carbohydrate amount while keeping the nutrient levels high. Here is a diabetic smoothie. For this, we need 1 banana, 1 apple, 2 kiwis. Banana, it provides you with 2 grams of fiber and 12% of the daily value for vitamin C. Even diabetics should eat at least 2 servings of fruit per day, and bananas are allowed as long as you eat them with meals and take the amount of carbohydrates they contain into consideration using one of the diabetic diet. Apple. The health benefits of apples. There is a reason people say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Cultivated worldwide, this fruit is high in fiber and vitamin C. These nutrients are primarily found in the skin, so be sure to eat that part. Kiwi. Due to its fiber and fructose found in kiwi fruits, the glycemic index is extremely low. This means that eating this fruit will not increase blood sugar level significantly. It contains inositol necessary for controlling blood sugar levels in diabetics. Put all the ingredients in a blender and pour off water and blend well. Drink half a liter of this delicious juice in the morning and consume the rest throughout the entire day. Pay extra attention to hydration and drink plenty of water. When you are dehydrated, your blood is more concentrated and sugar levels can be higher. Stay active. Exercise has its own way of helping keep blood sugar levels in check. While strength training is important, regular cardiovascular exercise has been shown to have the greatest positive impact on diabetic patients. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more. Prevent diabetes. Diabetes is striking people at younger and younger ages with rates skyrocketing globally. The good news is that it's highly preventable. Here are some top simple tips everyone can start today. Get moving. Regular exercise by itself can cut diabetes risk. Too much television watching ups diabetes risk an increase of 20% for every 2 hours you watch. Get omega-3 fats. Researchers report that people with diabetes who take rhythm-protecting drugs plus a daily dose of omega-3 fatty acids cut their odds for fatal heart trouble by 84%. Get EPA and DHA from fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout, and from fish oil or algal capsules. You will find plenty of the third type of omega-3, ALA, in ground flax seeds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and canola oil, and small amounts in kale, spinach, and salad greens. Cut refined carbs. White bread, white rice, white pasta, and potatoes cause quick increases in blood sugar, as do sugary soft drinks, fruit punch, and fruit juice. Eating lots of these refined carbohydrates and sugar may increase your risk of type 2 diabetes. To lower your risk, switch to whole grains and skip the sugar, especially the sugary drinks. Increase your coffee cravings. If you are a coffee fan, keep on sipping. The beverage may keep diabetes at bay. And coffee, the major caffeine source, also contains potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants that help cells absorb sugar. Go veggie. People who frequently eat red meat are at a higher risk of acquiring type 2 diabetes. Choose veggie toppings like spinach, broccoli, and peppers for your pizza. Try eating foods from other countries. Many of these dishes have more vegetables, whole grains, and beans. Have proteins. You may crave sugary treats when your energy levels dip, but scientists say protein is a better choice for sustained energy. Amino acids like those found in foods like egg whites and grilled chicken stimulated wake you up brain cells called orexin cells, and in contrast, sugar blocked them, proved in a study. Eat healthy breakfast. Always make a habit of eating a healthy breakfast every day, as it helps to reduce your risk of getting diabetes. Eating a healthy breakfast not only helps to control your appetite, but also helps to control your calorie consumption in the rest of the day by keeping you full, and thus prevents weight gain. Drink lots of water. Drink sufficient amount of water every day will help to mobilize the sugar content in the blood. Water also helps to regulate proper functioning of the body and reduces the risk of diabetes. By following all these tips, you can prevent diabetes. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.